How to fix mobile data is slow in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, on off flight mode. Open settings, click on connection. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button you can use turn on or turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, check network. Open settings, click on connection, click on mobile network settings, click on network mode, click on 5G prepaid. Now go back, click on data usage, turn on or turn off mobile data. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. This is how you can mobile data is slow in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.